The Garmin Vivoactive 6 is a powerhouse in the world of fitness trackers, designed to cater to both fitness enthusiasts and those looking for a smarter way to monitor their health. This device is packed with features that make it stand out in a competitive market. With over 80 workout modes, it covers a diverse range of activities, from running and hiking to more unique options like snowmobiling. Advanced tools, such as pace tracking and race time predictions, ensure that runners and athletes get the most out of their training sessions. Health monitoring is another key strength of the Vivoactive 6. It tracks vital metrics, including heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, stress levels, and sleep patterns. One of its standout features is Garmin's body battery, which helps you manage your energy levels throughout the day. The new smart alarm feature is another thoughtful addition, waking you during light sleep stages to ensure a more refreshed start to your day. The device also shines in its design and display. The 1.2-inch AMOLED screen offers improved brightness, ensuring clear visuals in all lighting conditions. Its slim and lightweight design enhances comfort, making it easy to wear all day long. Whether you're working out, attending meetings, or simply relaxing, the Vivoactive 6 feels sleek and functional on your wrist. Battery life is always a concern for smartwatch users, and the Vivoactive 6 delivers on this front. It provides up to 11 days of usage in smartwatch mode, so you can use it extensively without worrying about frequent charging. Even with the always-on display enabled, the battery lasts up to 5 days, giving you flexibility depending on your preferences. Music storage has also been upgraded, with the Vivoactive 6 offering double the capacity compared to its predecessor. With 8 GB of space, you can store plenty of songs and playlists. The device supports popular platforms like Spotify, Amazon Music, and Deezer, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes without needing your phone. When it comes to smart features, the Vivoactive 6 doesn't disappoint. Garmin Pay makes contactless payments quick and easy, while notifications keep you connected. For Android users, the on-screen keyboard is a convenient addition, allowing quick replies directly from the device. Priced at $299.99, the Garmin Vivoactive 6 is a compelling option for those seeking a balance between fitness tracking, health monitoring, and smartwatch capabilities. Its combination of advanced features, sleek design, and long battery life makes it a great value. Conclusion: the Garmin Vivoactive 6 is more than just a fitness tracker. It's a comprehensive health companion, a reliable smartwatch, and a stylish accessory all in one. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits, a fitness enthusiast seeking motivation, or someone who wants to keep a closer eye on their health, this device has something to offer for everyone. At an attractive price point, it's a worthy investment for a healthier and more connected lifestyle.